Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Discover how NLP can transform your time management skills in just 5 minutes. Hi, welcome to our channel. We want to show you how to use Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, to manage your time more effectively and boost your productivity. First, set clear, specific goals for your day. NLP teaches us to visualize our goals vividly. Imagine not just what you want to achieve, but how you'll feel once you've accomplished it. This mental imagery can motivate you and keep you focused. Second, use positive language when planning your tasks. Instead of saying, "I have to finish this report," say, "I choose to finish this report to achieve my goals." This shifts your mindset from obligation to empowerment, making tasks feel less burdensome. Third, practice chunking. This NLP technique involves breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. For example, if you need to write a report, break it down into researching, outlining, drafting, and editing. Tackling these smaller chunks one at a time can make a big project feel much less overwhelming. Finally, use anchoring to maintain a positive and productive state. Anchoring in NLP is about linking a physical action to a positive emotion. For instance, when you're feeling focused and productive, make a fist. Repeat this action when you need to boost your focus, and your brain will associate making a fist with that positive state. By setting clear goals, using positive language, chunking tasks, and anchoring positive states, you can transform your time management and make each day more productive. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and drop us a comment, letting us know which NLP technique you're going to try. Don't forget to help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insights and strategies. Thanks for watching. Mind your growth.